Hi, this is my bike check. First off, this the complete bike was Premium Broadway 2012. Very nice bike. $500, pretty good price for it. 23.5 pounds. Pretty light for a stock bike. Started off in the front. I have no idea what these bars are, but they're pretty nice. I think they're Shadow Conspiracy or Eastern bars because I got this off of Eastern Grim Reaper, and that most of the parts were Eastern or Shadow Conspiracy, and just the Odyssey forks on it. But I think these are Shadows. I don't really know. They're a 8-inch rise. And I forgot the sway is like written underneath the grips, and these grips are premium counterfeit grips. I cut off I think they're called plunges, and they're really comfy, like the ODI long neck grips. I like them a lot. Stem is a premium stock stem, really nice. I guess it's light, very light, not like really light, but whatever. And I don't think you can see it because this camera is like not the best, but it's an Eastern stem or headset, integrated headset. I like it, I guess. It looks a little nicer and stuff, so I put it on there. Forks are premium stock forks. They're tapered and they're nice, I guess. Lighter than the Odyssey forks on my other bike. The front tire is a FAFk tire. It's a really old tire that I got from my friend, and I like it a lot, actually. That's why I put it on instead of the premium refuse resist tires. They're lighter and they have a higher PSI. Whatever. And I blew up the premium one time, and it really pissed me off. Well, not really pissed me, but it just like scared the shit out of me. Alright, the front wheel is Aliennation Deviant rim. Little picture of a dude shooting a gun, or a girl, I don't know. Sell link to a stock hub, which looks pretty nice, I guess. I don't know. So going down the bike, I've got a premium pivot elastic PC seat. Really nice. I don't have like any problem with plastic seats because I can't tell the difference between them. Because unlike other people, my ass isn't all sensitive like other people's. Okay, and then got the Cromoly cranks stock. Paint's a little wearing off right here, but I don't know. They're nice, I guess. They're light. They're lighter than my Eastern cranks. I got my Odyssey twisted PCs, which are kind of dirty, but they're nice. I like them a lot. They're pretty grippy and stuff. Yeah, so, alright, the chain, or the sprocket, whatever you want to call it. It's a Eastern Medusa light, I think. It's 25 tooth. Like it a lot. It runs good, and it's lighter than the one that came with it, but not really much difference. But I like it. It looks nice too. Then you got the damn it, why'd I put the bike over here? Then you got the 9-tooth hub, the sealed, the hollow axles. I like it. It's good. Not that loud. It's okay. With a chain, half-link chain on it. I think it's the what's it called? A KMC half-link. I don't really know. And the back tire is or the back wheel is premium fit FAFk, the foldable version. Like it a lot. Light, good. I just had it. I didn't want to put my fit white walls on it because they're a bitch to clean off sometimes. Then the what was I gonna say? Oh, the Aliennation black sheep back rim. It's all dirty, but it's nice. I like it. And for those people that care like what it sounds like, here it is. Like 1 second. I like it a lot. It's not that loud, but it's good. Runs really smooth. Well, yeah. So that's my bike check. I hope you liked the video. Rate, subscribe, comment. And if you think I should change anything on there, like make it a little lighter, I don't know. I'm kind of one of those weight whores on it, but I don't weight whore. I just got $100 for like my early Christmas gift, so yeah, I'm thinking about some little small things to get to make it lighter. So thanks for watching.